How to add Sticky Buy It Now button on Shopify for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add Sticky Buy It Now button on Shopify for free. First of all, open your Shopify store dashboard. Once you are inside, navigate to Online Store and click on it. On the right side, next to your installed theme, you will see three dots. Click on them, and from the drop-down, select Duplicate. We are duplicating the theme because we're going to make changes to the theme code, and having a backup ensures your original theme stays safe in case anything goes wrong. Once the theme is duplicated, click on the three dots again, and this time select Edit Code. When you're inside the code editor, go to the Sections folder on the left side. We are going to add code here, but before that, let me show you something. Here's the code I have created for you to add the button. Copy the text for the file name, and then go back to the code editor. Click on the icon to create a new file, paste the copied name, and press Enter. Now the file has been created, so let's add the code. I will copy the code, and you'll find the same code in the video description. Paste the code inside the new file. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and click Save. After the changes are saved, go back to the Online Store section and click Edit Theme. Once you are inside the theme editor, open the product page. Now, from the left side, click on Add section, and a new menu will appear. Find the Sticky Buy Now section and click on it to add. As you can see, the button appears at the bottom. Click on it, and the customization settings will open on the right side. Here you can change the section background color. You can also select a text color that matches your Shopify theme. Additionally, you can change the button text and adjust all other settings available in this section. Once everything is done, click the Save button. Now let's go to your Shopify store to preview the changes. And there you go. This is how you can set up the Sticky Buy Now button in your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.